Welcome back, eSIM Studios. My name is Taylor Bell. Now, today's the last day. I'm putting an individual video out so everyone can know that one lucky subscriber to our eSIM Studios YouTube channel will win this, the CMF Watch Pro. This is a part of our bi-weekly giveaway. Every 2 weeks, we give away something, right? Whether it be this watch, Wi-Fi router, cases, gaming mouses, potentially in the future. I want to get to where we give away phones, but anyways, every 2 weeks, come back to our channel. Now you got to be a subscriber, but we will have links in the bottom of in our description boxes of our videos that will tell you what we are giving away. Now, to win this, you simply got to go to esimstudios.com, scroll all the way down to the bottom, and you will see the entry form. One lucky subscriber will get an email from me tomorrow morning, Christmas morning. I purposely ended it this evening. Line up right in time with Christmas, and it's cool. Anyways, this is a review unit. Since I've reviewed it, I have not been wearing it. It is the CMF, the sub-brand by Nothing company that makes the Nothing phone, owns and started CMF. Now, CMF has this watch. There's some earbuds, and they also have a fast charger. But this basically comes unused. I used it for our review, as I mentioned, but I did not get wet, did not get sweaty, right? I don't even work out. So I basically use this to track my sleep and then wear around the house during the day, just so I can get a good feel of how this watch operates. Now, this has a two-week battery life. I think I got 14 days out of it. So phenomenal battery life. It does not have Android Wear OS, but that's okay with me because you don't have all those background processes draining your battery. That's why they can only last like 2 to 3 days. Now, it pairs perfectly if you have a Nothing phone, but it also pairs to Pixel, it pairs to Samsung, it pairs to any Android phone, it pairs to any iPhone or iPad. So if you're an iPhone user, similar to the look of the Apple Watch Ultra, right? It's got the same look, same feel. It's got the yellow band, the yellow strap. So it is waterproof. I believe, is it IP68 or 67? Anyways, you can take a shower with it. I did not, but you can. So yeah, model D395. Color is metallic gray. Yeah. So in the box, you get the watch, you get the charger, and let's see what else. Then you get an owner's manual and an operation guide and all that cool stuff. And look, there's a QR code in there. Just scan that with your phone, whether you have an iPhone, an Android. Scan this. It'll take you to your app store, whether you're on the Apple App Store or the Google Play Store. You simply download the CMF Watch app, and you can pair it through there and get all of your readings and all that good stuff. It's got 119 loaded activities on there for workouts. It's got sleep tracking. It's got all sorts of cool stuff, right? And I think it was about $100 on Amazon. They're currently sold out. They're very, very popular, and for good reason. It's a very good smartwatch. It's got an AMOLED display. Got nice loud speakers. It's got a microphone, so you can pair it and use it as a phone call. You can text from here. It basically does everything the Android Wear watches do. It just doesn't have Android Wear, right? So I'm just not a smartwatch person. But if you are, enter even if you're not like me, enter, and if you win it, you can put it up for sale and probably get $100, $90 out of it cash. So what you do with it is none of our concern. So now, if you're watching this in the future and the contest is over, it ends tonight. So you got about 6 more hours left. It ends 12 p.m. Central Standard Time, or 12 a.m. Central Standard Time. So tonight at midnight, Christmas Eve. And if you're watching this after, this will be gone. However, I am putting up a new item tomorrow. So if you're watching this in the future, go to our link or go to eSIMstudios.com, scroll to the bottom, and you'll see our new item that we're going to put up every 2 weeks. We give away something cool, right? So just want to let you know it's a very special contest, and I will email the winner. Pick them at random, but you have to be subscribed to our YouTube channel. That's the only stipulation. But some lucky winner will get a Merry Christmas email from me in the morning. So don't forget. All right, guys. Peace out.